Your online viva exams are this week and you don't know what to do, then this video is for you. For those that don't know, I'm Pavel and I study computer science and engineering at United International University in Dhaka, Bangladesh. And the way my university is conducting the final exams is by giving us assignments and we have to finish it within a certain time frame. And then after a week, they hold a final viva exam on Zoom, which is the current video conferencing platform everyone's using nowadays. So here are 5 tips you can use to drastically improve your viva exams. Okay, so tip number 1. Since there is a lot of students in one section, the faculties won't be able to conduct the exams in one day. So since there is different schedules for different students, you can ask your friends who have already attended the viva exams beforehand. This will drastically improve your confidence during the viva exams. Tip number 2, always prepare your work before attending the viva. So pens, papers, whatever you wrote the answers in, put it on the desk in front of you before attending the viva. Tip number 3, go through the assignment before attending the viva so you can easily answer the questions. Either go through the scanned documents that you scanned beforehand or go through the actual paper you wrote it on. Tip number 4, the viva will be conducted via video call, so you have to show your face. Make sure you're in an environment with bright lights and try to look formal. Not like interview formal, but just try to look presentable. Tip number 5, stay calm. Don't overthink. When you start overthinking, you'll forget things. So there you have it. Like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope this was helpful.